for 5 minutes and I will connect your Shopify to WhatsApp directly so that whenever a new order is placed on your Shopify store towards the customer, automated WhatsApp message is forwarded. Without wasting any time, let me show you how this automation is going to work. So this is my Shopify online store and I'm going to place an order for this dress right here. I will buy it now, and as soon as I'm going to place the order, let the order complete first. First I have to add in my details, so let me add in all the details. Email address is testuser44@pabblytudes.com. Name is test user. Country is India. Address is 11 New Road, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. This is the pin code and this is the phone number. These are my card details. I will place the order now on my Shopify store. And as soon as I will do that, you will see it says our order is confirmed. As now the order is placed successfully for 2478. If I'm going to open my WhatsApp, you will see I have received the notification successfully order confirmed for test user. Over here the order ID is 149. This is the order ID. Amount is 2478. You can see this is the same amount that I have paid. We'll notify once your order is shipped. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you for choosing us. So now as I've received this automated WhatsApp notification, as soon as a confirmed order is placed on my Shopify store, this is how this automation is going to work. A new order is placed on your Shopify store towards the customer, and automated WhatsApp message is going to be forwarded. Stay tuned till the end of this video because within 5 minutes I will teach you how you can create this connection as well using the amazing software that is in the name of Pabbly Connect. If you want to access Pabbly Connect, open a new tab and search for www.pabbly.com/connect. You will come to this landing page. Now if you're a new user, you're logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here directly. You will receive 100 free tasks. Using the 100 tasks, you can create this setup right away absolutely for free. Test it out from your end and then you can purchase a yearly or lifetime plan to automate your other business workflows as well. If you want instant and amazing discounts on that purchase, use the code that's on the left side of my screen. The same code is in the description section, with the help of which you will get instant discounts. So without wasting any more of our time, let's dive into this creation of the automation. So I have created the template of this workflow. If you want this free template of this workflow that I am using as well, check out the workflow link in the description section. You will get this exact template so that you don't have to create the entire trigger and action setup. Okay, so now over here for this Shopify V2 new order, we will receive a book URL. Using the URL and the steps, by following them one by one, we are going to create the connection between Shopify and Pabbly Connect. Copy this URL from here and log into your Shopify store. Then after logging in, right over here, go towards the settings option. After coming to settings, you have to go towards this notifications section, and in notifications, go towards the webbook section. Inside webbook, click on this create webbook button. For the event, select the order creation event right over here, as we want to send the response of the new order created. JSON is going to be the format. For the URL, paste the webbook URL, and for this version, select the latest version and save this step from here. Automatically the webbook URL is going to be added inside your Shopify store. Go back to trigger and click on this recapture button right here. It says waiting for webbook response. So now to check whether the connection is successfully done or not, I will place a new order on my Shopify store and check whether my trigger captures the response of the new order been created or not. Okay, so now for placing the order, I am going to open my Shopify store online page. I will place the order for this necklace right over here. Okay, I will buy it now from here. As soon as I will do that, now it is going to ask me for my details like my name, phone number, email address. I'm going to enter everything right over here. My email address is amazing.person@pabblytudes.com. Country India. Name is amazing person. Address is 12 Best Road, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Pin code and the phone number. These are my card details. I will do the payment from here. As soon as I will do the payment, it is going to say your order is confirmed. As now this order is placed, if I'm going to go back to my trigger, within few seconds you will see the response of the same order is going to be captured in this trigger in front of you. If we'll tally the response, the total is 1770. You can see this is the same total right over here. If I'll further scroll down and tally the customer's details, let me scroll down right here. You will see that it's an INR. Let me further scroll down. It's Madhya Pradesh. You can see right over here, this is the code, the phone number, name is amazing person. You will see right over here, country is India, city is Bhopal, address is 12 Best Road. If I'll further scroll down, you will receive the address, email address. You can see it's for the drop necklace that I placed the order for. for. If I'll further scroll down, you will see the email address is also captured, that is amazing.person@pabblytudes.com. So as now the response of the order is captured in the trigger, Shopify is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now I want to send an order notification towards this person who have placed the order using WhatsApp Cloud API. As with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, I manage the WhatsApp conversations in my business. That is why this is going to be my action step. Click on this connect button, and now I'm going to click on this add new connection option. We need to provide the token, phone number, ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. To have the details, go towards this learn more hyperlink. You will come to Pabbly forum page, where the first tutorial is going to teach you how you can create an API setup using WhatsApp Cloud API, where you will find all the details that Pabbly Connect is asking for. See the tutorial, create your API setup, get the details pasted down in the fields. Okay, similarly, if you want the permanent token for your business to be once generated for all the things, simply you can check out this another video using which you can generate the permanent token. I've already created my API setup, so I'm going to simply copy the details and paste it down in these fields right over here, and after that I'm going to click on this save button. As soon as I will do that, WhatsApp Cloud API is going to be connected to Pabbly Connect. First, we have to enter the recipient phone number to whom you want to send the WhatsApp message to. For the data of this field, I will map the data. Where you want to map the data, add slash and search for the data that you want to map. I want to enter the phone number of the person to whom I want to send a WhatsApp notification to. So this is the customer's phone number. I will select the data from the previous response, which makes this data mapped and dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. Next, I have to enter the text message that I want to send towards my customers who have placed the order. So I'm going to enter the message over here as, so this is my message over here. I'm going to enter the customer's name, so I will map the data to the name of my customers. Thank you for shopping with Style Hub Store. Your order has been placed successfully. I have to enter my order ID, so I'm going to enter my order number that I've received right over here. For the amount, I will map the data of the amount that I have received over here in the previous step. So let me do that. So this is the total. I will map the data. We'll notify you once the order is shipped. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you for choosing us. After entering the message just like this, simply click on the save and send test request button. But I've entered a dummy phone number right here. Towards the dummy number, a WhatsApp message cannot be forwarded. So next, I'm going to enter my phone number just for the test to show you what kind of response you will receive and how the message will be forwarded. But you need to map the data right here in order to send notifications towards your customers. Okay, I will enter my phone number and simply click on this save and send test request button. You need to map the data. Just remember that. Okay, I have received this response over here in this action, and this is a positive response, and you can see in my WhatsApp I have received the notification. Order confirmed successfully. Hi, amazing person. This was the order ID, and you can see right over here this is the amount, that is 1770. So as I've received the notification successfully, this means the connection between these two applications is now completely done. Now whenever on your Shopify store an order is going to be placed by a customer, towards that customer an automated WhatsApp message just like this will be forwarded telling them your order is confirmed and we are going to send you updates regarding the orders lately. Okay, so as now this entire connection is done, you can also create this connection right away without need of any technical coding and programming skills using the software that is Pabbly Connect. So go ahead, check out the template link in the description section, use it, create the connections, and your work will be done. Use the code on the left side of my screen to get instant and amazing discounts on the purchase. And if you have any questions or doubts related to this workflow, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.